Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore the kick drum and how it relates to the music we make. The kick drum, or bass drum, known for its deep and resonant booming sound, has roots dating back centuries. In ancient times, drums were used to send signals across the battlefield. The loud, penetrating sound of the bass drum could be heard over long distances and above the noise of battle. Different rhythms or beats could convey specific commands or messages to soldiers, such as when to advance, retreat, or change formation. Fast forward to the 1900s. This is when the Sonar Drum Company introduced the first single bass drum pedal. By 1909, William F. Ludwig had made improvements to the bass drum pedal, making it more practical and easier to play, which paved the way for the modern drum kit we know and love today. So, how does the kick drum work? As you press the footplate of the drum pedal, it pulls the chain downwards. This action propels the beater forward to strike the drum. In modern music production, the kick drum is usually the foundation of a drum beat and is extensively used across various genres to bring depth, energy, and feel to a groover song. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.